Ali, say hi to Aunt Irene. You trying to move the basket so you can escape? Say hi to Aunt Irene. Hi. Say hi to Aunt.
Hi.
Say hi. Ali. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Hey, Mr. Escape Artist. You made it past the gate. Ali. Ali. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ali. You just so proud of yourself that you escaped? Ali. Ali. Hey. Are you so proud of yourself? Hi. Wade. Ali.